Definitely darker, yeah.
Anna, you are going to you are going to stand on the streets of New York and point out the ways in which Erica and Esther look alike. Here they are.
Okay.
It is for you.
So first thing,
right.
exact same height.
Right.
This is Erica, this is Esther.
Hello.
They are precisely the same height.
That's crazy.
Yes.
So
They
we are
come from the same ethnic background.
Woohoo, Jews.
They have the same hair.
Check it out. The same eyebrows.
Yes, actually, we do. Holy
We do.
crap.
Do you have anime eyes? Can you make them much larger than they seem?
Yeah, that works.
Okay. Let's see. The
Similar
moles.
yes.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Do we have
1, 2. Yep, pretty close, except mine are closer together.
So 1, 2. Okay. Oh, do you have them under your chin too? Awesome. And then like around here.
Not so much.
Okay.
My neck's clean.
Did we just have that conversation?
Apparently,
We just had that conversation.
things that are different for the record. My nose looks broken and hers does not.
Are your hands bigger than mine? I have stubby hands.
My hands are much
Yeah.
larger.
Your hands are look full knuckle
wow.
bigger.
Are yours bigger than mine?
I have stubby hands. Here.
I mean, I have relatively little hair.
Let us document this stubby handedness. Yes, I am a full foot taller and we have the same size hands. That's amazing. Piano. Okay, yeah. No, I was
playing with the organ.
I was always okay. I'm sure that was completely unnecessary, but yes. Anyway,
God, they steal your soul.
that's hilarious.
Yes,
And
they do.
are we done?
I don't know.
Have we chronicled like?
Precisely how alike we are.
I'm sure there's more.
I'm sure there's more similar body types,
Yeah.
although.
Like, you have a tiny waist. I have a tiny waist.
Yep. And large butts.
Yes.
We have large butts. Too much booty in the pants. There's too much booty in the pants. And neither of us have any shame at all.
Oh.
Shame is totally overrated.
Yes, it is, and this is why you were the best college roommate I ever had.
Well, I mean, to be fair, I was only one of two, so.
That's true, but
Yeah.
still.
Anyway. Oh, and we both get Anna into new cannons.
Yes, we do.
Yes,
So
you
We're
do.
both master manipulators in terms of
we're fiends. That's what we are.
absolute succubi.
Yes.
That must be what our correlating species is. We're not just
Yes.
Jews. We're succubi. Okay.
Thank you.